Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Hey TV model and updating firmware if needed so features work reliably. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on both devices. Many phones require both to discover the TV. On the TV, open the screen mirroring or cast menu and leave it ready to accept connections. Once done, unlock your phone and open its display or connection settings so you can actively search for the TV and start pairing. You now initiate the connection. Open your phone's cast or screen mirroring control and scan for the Hey TV name. Tap to connect. Choose full screen mirroring when you need the phone's entire display replicated or cast when you only want video/audio playback. When the TV shows a PIN or pairing prompt, accept it on the TV and enter the code on your phone if requested. Make sure both devices stay on the same Wi-Fi network for a stable stream. Otherwise, the link may drop. You finish by checking the TV input and confirming the mirrored screen appears. If not, reselect the mirroring source on the TV. For higher reliability, use an HDMI adapter from your phone to the TV as a wired alternative. This bypasses wireless issues. If you encounter lag, audio sync problems, or discovery failures, restart both the phone and the Hey TV and retry. That simple restart resolves most connectivity problems quickly and gets you back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.